The MacBook Pro bloodline stretches back to 2006, when Apple's shift to Intel chips revolutionized laptop performance. Fast forward to the Touch Bar saga, the butterfly keyboard debacle, and then the M1 renaissance in 2020. Overnight, x86 was dethroned by Apple Silicon's efficiency crown. M2 refined it, M3 cranked graphics, and the M4 chip, debuting in late 2024, pushed single-core performance 50% beyond M2 while quadrupling GPU throughput. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. By the time 2025 dawned, the Pro lineup had weathered the storm of ultra-portables, gaming rigs, and AI-centric workstations, yet still stood tall. Now, 4th-gen hardware sets the stage for Apple's boldest proclamation: unbeatable, desk-destroying power in a 3-pound chassis. Same silhouette, smarter details. At a glance, MacBook Pro 4 looks familiar. CNC milled aluminum, tapered lid, midnight and space black finishes, but Apple shaved 0.6 mm off the lid and narrowed bezels another 13%. Nano texture glass, previously iMac exclusive, is now an optional upgrade for glare-free editing outdoors. The revamped hinge distributes tension more evenly, allowing one-finger opening without sacrificing rigidity. Weight remains an enviable 1.55 kilograms, 14-inch, or 2.1 kilograms, 16-inch, yet a new honeycomb internal skeleton boosts torsional stiffness by 20%. Couple that with recycled aluminum alloy and a carbon-neutral assembly line, and you've got sustainability and durability coexisting. No small feat. Specs snapshot. Variant CPU, GPU, NPU, unified RAM process. M4 10-core, 4P plus 6E. 10-core 38 top 16 to 32 GB TSMC N3E. M4 Pro 14-core, 10P plus 4E. 20-core 42 tops 18 to 64 GB N3E. M4 Max 16-core, 12P plus 4E. 40-core 45 tops 36 to 128 GB N3E. Built on TSMC's second-generation 3nm node, the M4 family squeezes 28 billion transistors into a die that still sips power. Apple's switch to ARMv 9.2a enables scalable matrix extensions, SME, that feed a re-engineered 38 TOPS neural engine, triple the ML throughput of the original M1. Real-time ray tracing? Check. Mesh shading? Double check. Apple's own numbers, and early Geekbench leaks, show single-core scores nudging past an Intel Core i9-14900K desktop CPU, with multi-threaded parity to Ryzen 7 9700X. Yet the package dissipates barely 40 W under peak load. For everyday creators, that translates to Final Cut Pro, 8K HEV timeline playback at full quality with 3 LUTs, no dropped frames. Blender, metal backend 2 times faster cycles rendering than M3 Pro. Logic Pro, 1,500 software instruments plus 150 audio tracks before buffer underruns. And thanks to the unified memory architecture hitting 546 GB per second on M4 Max, VRAM bottlenecks vanish for 3D artists. The upshot.